Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. Here, history whispers through ancient ruins, art fills every corner, and life unfolds in vibrant piazzas. Today, we'll embark on a journey through this magnificent city, exploring its 3,000-year-old history and its most treasured landmarks. As we wander through cobbled streets and grand monuments, let's discover how Rome became the heart of an empire and a beacon of culture for the world. Rome's history is the story of civilization itself. According to legend, the city was founded in 753 BC by Romulus, who, with his twin brother Remus, was raised by a she-wolf. This tale of resilience set the tone for a city that would shake the world. From its early days as a kingdom, Rome grew into a republic, governed by the Senate. By 27 BCE, it had transformed into the Roman Empire, led by Augustus. At its height, the empire controlled land stretching from Britain to North Africa and the Middle East. But Rome's greatness isn't limited to its imperial past. After the empire's fall, it became the heart of the Renaissance, producing masterpieces that redefined art, architecture, and human expression. Today, Rome remains a living museum, where every stone has a story. Whether you're planning your next adventure, or simply curious about Rome, keep watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for our daily updates. The Colosseum, Rome's grand amphitheater. Our first stop is the Colosseum, one of the world's most famous landmarks. Completed in 80 CE under Emperor Titus, this grand amphitheater could host 50,000 spectators. Gladiatorial contests, wild animal hunts, and dramatic reenactments kept audiences on the edge of their seats. One remarkable feature of the Colosseum is its intricate underground system of tunnels and chambers, where gladiators prepared for battle, and exotic animals awaited their fate. As you stand in its shadow, imagine the roar of the crowd echoing through the centuries. The Roman Forum, the heart of an empire. Just a short walk from the Colosseum lies the Roman Forum, the epicenter of ancient Roman life. This sprawling plaza was where laws were debated, triumphal parades celebrated victories, and temples honored the gods. Among its many treasures is the Temple of Saturn, once the site of the state treasury, and the Arch of Septimius Severus, a triumphal arch commemorating military victories. Walking here is like stepping back in time to the days of Caesar and Cicero. The Pantheon, a temple of perfection. The Pantheon is not just a temple, it's an architectural wonder. Built during the reign of Emperor Hadrian in 126 CE, Its dome remains a feat of engineering even today. The oculus, a circular opening at the dome's apex, allows sunlight, and sometimes rain, to pour into the space below. Originally a temple to all Roman gods, the Pantheon became a Christian church in the 7th century. Beneath its floors lie the tombs of great figures, including the artist Raphael. The Pantheon is a place where history, art, and spirituality converge. St. Peter's Basilica, a monument to faith. St. Peter's Basilica, located in Vatican City, is one of the most significant religious sites in the world. Built over the tomb of St. Peter, the basilica we see today was completed in the 17th century, with contributions from masters like Michelangelo and Bernini. Inside, the soaring dome designed by Michelangelo offers a sense of awe, while treasures like the Pieta and the bronze baldachin inspire wonder. For those who climb to the top of the dome, a breathtaking panorama of Rome awaits. Piazza Navona, elegance in every corner. Built over the remains of the ancient Stadium of Domitian, Piazza Navona is a testament to Rome's Baroque brilliance. Its centerpiece, the Fountain of the Four Rivers by Bernini, represents the four great rivers of the world. Surrounding the piazza are cafes and churches, including the stunning Sant'Agnes in Agone. It's a place to relax, take in the architecture, and watch street performers bring the square to life. Trevi Fountain, a fountain of wishes. Trevi Fountain isn't just a fountain, it's a symbol of Roman romance. Completed in 1762, its design by Nicola Solvi features Neptune commanding the waters. Legend says tossing a coin over your left shoulder ensures your return to Rome. Each year, nearly 1.5 million in coins are collected and donated to charity, proving that wishes made here truly make a difference. Castel Sant'Angelo, from mausoleum to fortress. Built as Emperor Hadrian's mausoleum, Castel Sant'Angelo later served as a fortress for popes during the conflict. A secret passageway, the Passaggio de Borgo, connects the castle to the Vatican, offering a dramatic escape route. Today, its museum offers insight into its storied past, and its terrace provides one of the best views of Rome. Spanish Steps, a gathering place for all. The Spanish Steps, completed in 1725, connect the Piazza di Spagna with the Trinità dei Monti Church. It's a favorite spot for both tourists and locals to relax, surrounded by boutiques and fountains. For the perfect Roman experience, sit here with a gelato and watch as the city unfolds around you. The Vatican Museums, a treasury of art. The Vatican Museums house one of the world's most impressive art collections, featuring works from ancient Egypt to the Renaissance. Among its highlights is the Gallery of Maps, a stunning corridor lined with frescoed maps of Italy. Villa Borghese Gardens. Nature meets art. Villa Borghese Gardens is a serene escape from the city's hustle. Within its lush expanse lies the Borghese Gallery, home to masterpieces by Bernini, Caravaggio, and Titian. Stroll through its paths, rent a rowboat, or simply sit by the fountains and let the tranquility of this green oasis refresh your spirit. Rome is more than a city. It's an experience, a journey through time, and a celebration of life. As you walk its streets and explore its treasures, you'll find that the eternal city truly lives up to its name. Which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey.